guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rishikesh, and today we're going to discuss about a fun topic of parts of speech, which is verb. So today we're going to discuss about verb. So verb, firstly I'm going to say the definition. Verb is the doing words that we do, the action words, the doing words, the maybe mind words, whatever we do, whatever we consider is a verb. So now let's walk further into verb. What is verb? What is verb? Let's see this. What is verb? A verb is a word that indicates a physical action. For example, drive, a mental action, for example, think, and a state of being. For example, to walk, to read, to teach. So what is a physical action? A physical action is the things we do when we move. For example, right now, I'm walking. Right now, I'm teaching. Right now, I'm talking. You're talking, teaching. These are the things when we move. These are the things we do when we move. So a physical action is when we move, when we do our action. Now it stands for a mental action. A mental action is the thing that we don't move, but we do it in our minds. For example, right now I'm guessing that you guys are watching my video. So you're guessing, to consider, to imagine, to dream. We don't move, we just do it in our minds, right? Now, if you, for example, if you give if you were suppose your parents gave you maybe a jigsaw puzzle. It is all like juggled up. You have to fix it, and you're memorizing. You're guessing what is the picture. You're guessing it what the picture is. So for mental action, it is guess, to consider everything we do, but without moving. Yes. So let's give it a state of being, to exist. So state of being means right now I'm talking. Is it existing? Yes, it is existing. The talking is existing. Suppose a child is happy or he's crying. It is existing, right? It is existing. So here, walk, read, teach, these are of course existing. That's why it is called a state of being verb. Okay, so now let's get into like some examples. So firstly, we got a physical action. You could walk. Here, walk. You could like walk. It's a physical action. You could play. Is also a physical action. For mental, you could guess, right? You could guess, and you could consider, you could think, you could do such things. Now, for a state of being verb, the existing verb, you could cry, you could smile, and you could even play. And one thing, guys, most of it, state of being and physical, most of it is alike. Now let's see that how many types of verbs are there? There are 2 types of verbs. Firstly, we have got principal verb. You can also call it a lexical verb or a main verb. Call it main verb. I think that is more like easy. So a principal main verb means the main verbs. For example, to walk, to play, to like everything we do with action is a main verb. Like it is the main thing of a verb. Right now, let's do a little sentence. The sentence can be that I am playing. I am playing. You're playing. Let me just write it. I am playing. Wait, guys. Now I am playing. Okay. What is the principal main verb in this sentence? Good. It is our playing. Playing is our main verb because we do it with an action. When we play, we play, we move our hands, we think. So that is a principal verb. Now, how many types of principal verbs are there? Yes, two. Firstly, transitive and intransitive. Now let's walk further into transitive verb. Okay, a transitive verb is a verb. When you use it in a sentence, we also have to put an object in the sentence. For example, the kid hit the wall. The kid hit the wall. Your hit is a transitive sentence. You might think that is a normal verb. It's a normal verb, but it's a transitive sentence because where did the kid hit? Maybe on a car, maybe on a computer, maybe on a chair, maybe on me. But we used an object. The object is wall. It hit it on the wall. Now, normal verb doesn't have an object in the sentence. It has hit, and when we just show what it hit on or what it drived on, it is an object. And now, let's get into intransitive verbs. Intransitive verbs is the opposite of transitive. They're almost the same thing, but it doesn't have an object when you use it in a sentence. For example, the kid hit. The kid hit. The kid hit. Does it have an object? Where did it hit? Over there, over here, over there, over here. Do we know where it hit? Do we know? No. So that is called an intransitive verb. The hit is a verb, but there is no object. No, let's just let it go. It has no object. Now let's get on to our second type of verb. Auxiliary or helping verb. Now let's see the definition. So the definition of an auxiliary verb. So let's say it. An auxiliary verb helps to make a sentence. The auxiliary verbs are to maybe can, I am, be, by. These are the auxiliary verbs. For example, Timmy is my dog. Timmy is my dog. You might think there is no such verb in this sentence, but there is, which is. So is a verb. Is a auxiliary verb. Now let's get into how many types of auxiliaries are there. There are two types of auxiliaries in the world. Okay, firstly, primary and then model. There is primary auxiliary and model auxiliary. So firstly, primary auxiliary is like right now I said is also a primary auxiliary. It is, am, are, was, such words like this. So primary does two things. One, it completes its own meaning, and two, it helps to make a sentence. Just like I said before, Timmy is my dog. Timmy is my dog. Let me just write it for you. Timmy is my dog. Is. Here, I don't need to write the rest. I'm just writing the is because is the most important part of primary auxiliary. So there's two actions. Firstly, I am reading a book. Here, am is the thing that helps to make the sentence. And here, I am a student. It completed its own meaning. Maybe the word is same, but it completed its own meaning. What am I? It completed it. It completed the sentence. Now let's get on with the model auxiliary. Model auxiliary only plays one role. So model auxiliary are the things that shows an ability or maybe a capacity, like these. For example, I can sing. I can sing. Like what is it? Like it, what could I say? It shows the ability or capacity. For example, here can. What is can? Where's the verb? Here can is the verb. And what is it showing? It's showing a ability, which is sing. I can sing. Singing is an ability. Walking is an ability. Speaking English is an ability. Writing is an ability. Here it is showing that I can sing. There are more modal verbs like can, could, would, may, and might. These are all modals. So again, I can sing. It shows the can or these other words or etc. words shows modal verb shows what is happening. For it shows an ability and capacity. So that was the modal auxiliary. So let's just practice some verbs. So let's get with a physical action. You could say maybe I am like talking. What is the verb in here? Talking. Let's write talk. Talk. Oh wait, talk. Just a minute. It just was a mistake. Your talk is a physical action. Let's get with the second, mental action. Mental action, remember, it is things that we don't move when doing, but we do it in our mind. For example, so maybe guess. Yeah, guess. To maybe guess. And the third one is a state of being. The things that exist. The things that exist. Maybe I could say that teach. Let's do discuss because I'm discussing and it is existing. It is happening. So it must be discuss. Discuss. So this is now let's get with the principle and auxiliary verb. So let's do an example for this. Babu. So till now we learned what is verb. The verb it was such a fun little topic of parts of speech. I hope you guys like it. I liked it a lot. So as we knew, yes, there were two topics. There were principal verb and helping verb. And they each had two types of verb. One is for the topic 1, principal has transitive and intransitive. And for helping, it is modal and primary. So let's get with the little question. I hope you can answer it in the comment box. So, what is a verb? So answer in the comment box and today's lesson is over. I hope you could learn something from this video and like, subscribe and hit the bell button. Bye!